Today is the last session of the first chapter, Accounting for Not-for-Profit Organization. In this session, we will discuss the last problem, that is the problem from March 2020 annual exam question paper, question number 26 in the question paper. Here, problem number 6. Following are the balance sheet and receipts and payments account of Unity Club. This is question number 6. Okay. This is 2020 annual exam question paper problem, accountancy. Balance sheet as on 31/3/2018 is given. In this balance sheet you have outstanding rent, capital fund. Then you have cash in hand, building, furniture, books, outstanding subscription. So what you have to do, you have to see the outstanding items. You have to find out, you have to see in the balance sheet how many outstanding items were given. There are two outstanding items. One is outstanding rent, another is outstanding subscription. This is last year outstanding. The balance sheet is on 31st March 2018. Last year outstanding. Last year outstanding amount you have to deduct here. Last year outstanding amounts you have to deduct here. Okay. Now see the other items in the last year balance sheet. Cash in hand. This is last year cash in hand. Don't take it. This is the last year cash and bank balance. That is 2018 cash and bank balance. We are doing 2019 financial statements. So don't take 2019 cash and bank balance. See the other items. Building asset, furniture asset, books asset. And you have two outstanding items, outstanding rent, outstanding subscription. Then you have receipts and payments account for the year ended 31/3/2019. 31/3/2019. Balance sheet is given on 2018. Receipts and payments account is given on 2019. You have to prepare financial statements on 2019. Okay, in this financial statements, debit side, receipt side, you have balance brought down. This is last year balance. 2200, same 2200 brought down to 2019 receipts and payments account. Don't take it. So see the other items. You have to identify the items, whether they are capital receipts or revenue receipts. If they are revenue receipts, take in income and expenditure account. If they are capital receipts, take in balance sheet. What are revenue receipts? Which are received regularly. What are capital receipts? Which are received rarely, once in 5 years, once in 10 years. Okay. Now, next is subscription. Subscription is received annually, so it is revenue. It is revenue receipt. Life membership fees. Life membership fees is received only one time. When the outsider becomes the member of the organization, that time life membership fees is taken from member. Only one time. This is rare receipt. Subscription is regular receipt, annual receipts. But life membership fees is rare receipt. So it is a capital item. Capital receipt it is. Donation, it is said in the problem. Here, fifth adjustment you have. Donation to be capitalized. Donation to be capitalized. Adjustment number 5. Okay. So donation to be capitalized means what you have to do? You have to treat donation as a capital item. Profit from entertainment. So it is a regular receipt. Profit from entertainment is a regular receipt. It is a revenue receipt. Interest is received either monthly or once in 3 months, once in 6 months, once in a year. So it is a regular receipt. It is also revenue receipt. See, totally you have 6 items. One, balance brought down, you should not take. See the other 5 items. In these 5 items, 1, 2, 3, subscription, profit from entertainment, interest. These 3 are revenue receipts. Life membership fees and donation is capital receipt. What we have to do? Subscription, profit from entertainment, interest. These 3 are revenue receipts. Transfer to income and expenditure account. Life membership fees and donation. These 2 are capital receipt. Transfer to balance sheet. Okay. So we will start the problem. See the here. Unity Club. Answer is Unity Club. Unity Club income and expenditure account for the year ended 31/3/2019. Okay, so receipts. First we will take these receipts. Receipts means incomes. Okay, so you have to take only revenue receipts to income and expenditure account. Only revenue receipts to income and expenditure account. See the first receipt, subscription. Subscription. So to subscription 32,500. I will write here by subscription 32,500. By subscription 32,500. What you have to do subscription? Last year outstanding given in the balance sheet you have to deduct. Current year outstanding given in the adjustment you have to add. Okay, see the last year balance sheet. Outstanding subscription 500 rupees. 2018 outstanding subscription 500. Less outstanding subscription 2018 500. Total 33,000. Then see the first adjustment. Subscription outstanding 31/3/19 750. Current year outstanding is 750. Add current year outstanding 750. Total 33,750. How we did? Subscription 32,500. Last year outstanding subscription 500 minus. So this will come to 32,000. Subscription 32,500. Last year outstanding 500. Deduct 32,500 minus 500. 32,000. Current year outstanding 750. Add 750. So it comes to 32,750. So subscription is over. There is no subscription received in advance in the problem. Okay. Now, next you go to life membership fees. Life membership fees you have to record in balance sheet. Donation, it is a capital receipt, record in balance sheet. Profit from entertainment, revenue receipt, record in income and expenditure. By profit from entertainment, amount is 7,250. Then interest is also revenue receipt. 1,100. So receipts were over. Go to the payment side. Payments means expenditure. Okay. So you have to select, you have to take revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure, record in income and expenditure account. And whatever the assets are there here, so record in the balance sheet. Balance sheet asset side. We'll see. Rent. Rent is paid every month. So it is revenue. Regularly. Rent is paid every month. So that is why it is a revenue expenditure. Lectures fee. Fees is paid to lectures. Fees is paid for lectures regularly. It is also revenue receipt. Printing and stationery is a daily expenses. It is also revenue receipt. Furniture is an asset. So record in the balance sheet. Books is an asset. Record in the balance sheet. Balance carried down means this year cash and bank balance. It is also asset. Record in the balance sheet. Totally you have 6 items. Rent, lecture fee and printing and stationery, 3 are revenue expenditure. Book, furniture, books and cash and bank balance, these 3 are assets. 3 revenue expenditure transfer to income and expenditure account. 3 assets transfer to balance sheet. Okay, so we'll take the revenue expenditure. Rent, so expenditure, payments means expenditure, debit side here. Here you have credit side, this you record on the debit side. Okay, rent, to rent, how much? 6,600. 6,600. So you have to see the balance sheet. There is a last year outstanding rent. There is a current year outstanding rent. There is a outstanding rent on 2018. There is a second adjustment, rent outstanding on 31/3/19 500. Last year outstanding is 100. Current year outstanding is 500. So last year outstanding, you have to deduct. Less outstanding rent 2018, 100. Then you will get 6,400. Second adjustment, rent outstanding 31,319, current year outstanding 500 rupees, add 500. Add outstanding rent 2019, 500. So total rent of this year is 6,900. How we did? Rent 6,600 minus 100, 6,500. 6,500. Rent 6,600, last year outstanding 100 minus 6,500, current year outstanding 500, add, so total rent is 7,000 rupees. Okay, next, it is over. Lectures fee is a revenue expenditure, record here. 2 lectures fee 3,900. Printing and stationery, it is also revenue expenditure. Printing and stationery 2,500, debit side. To printing and stationery 2,500. Now come to the other items. Furniture, books, balance carried down. These are 3 assets recorded in the balance sheet. Okay, go to the adjustments. Subscription outstanding you have added over. Rent outstanding you have added over. Depreciate furniture at 10% per annum. See, furniture depreciation is 10%. That means you have to take depreciation on opening value and also on additional value by taking number of months. Okay, when it is simply given that depreciate furniture means you have to take the furniture on opening value as well as additional value. But depreciate books at 10% per annum, only opening value. When you are asked to take depreciation on only opening value, you have to take depreciation on only opening value, not on additional value. Okay. So on furniture, you have to take depreciation on opening value as well as additional value. On books, you have to take depreciation only on a opening value. So depreciation is a revenue expenditure, non-cash expenses, revenue expenditure record on the debit side. 2. Depreciation on furniture. First take on opening value 3,000 into 10%. 300. Then take on additional value 9,900 into 10%. Into, see, furniture is purchased on 30th 9 2019. It is used in the organization from 1st October. October, November, December. Next, it is brought to the business on 30th 9 2018. So it is used from 1st October 2018. Calculate the depreciation from 1st October 2018 to 31st March 2019. 31st March 2019. Okay. So October, after this is purchased on September, October, November, December, January, February, March. It is used in the business for 6 months. Okay. So 6 months depreciation, 6 by 12. 9,900 into 10% into 6 months. 495. Total depreciation is 795. So depreciation on furniture, depreciation on furniture 3,000 into 10%. 3,000 into 10%, 300. 9,900 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. 6 months depreciation you have to take. You have to calculate from here. 495. Total depreciation of furniture is 795. Okay. Now we go to the depreciation on books. Depreciation on books. It is given on only opening value. Opening value is 2000 rupees. 2000 into 10 by 100. 200 rupees is the depreciation on books. Depreciation on books is 200. Last adjustment, donation to be capitalized. Donation to be capital means donation is a capital receipt, you have to record in balance sheet. Okay, so we have completed the income and expenditure account. Let's see which side is more. 32,750 plus 7,250 plus 1,100. Total of the income side is 41,100. 41,100. From 41,100, right here also 41,100. You have to deduct all the revenue expenditure. Minus 7,000 minus 3,900 minus 2,500 minus 795 minus 200. Balance is 26,705. This is surplus to. How you got surplus? Income is more than expenditure. Income is 41,100. From 41,100, deduct all the expenditures. You will get the remaining balance is 26,705. So income is more, expenditure is less. This is called as a surplus. This surplus you have to show in the balance sheet. Okay, we'll go to the balance sheet. We'll see the liability side of the balance sheet. Outstanding rent you have already deducted. Capital fund, you have to take capital fund. Capital fund 27,600. Okay, liability side. Capital fund opening balance 27,600. Opening balance is 27,600. Okay. After capital fund, you have to take capital receipts. Capital receipts is given on the receipt side of the receipts and payments account. Life membership fees, donations. There are two capital receipts. These two capital receipts were added to capital fund. Donation 2,500. Life membership fees 3,250. Okay. Then after taking opening capital fund, after adding these two capital receipts, donation and life membership fees, you have to take the surplus. You have to take the surplus. If you have to add the surplus, if there is a deficit, you have to minus here. But in this problem, you have surplus. Add it. Add surplus. 26,705. So total capital fund plus two capital receipts plus surplus. You will get the closing capital fund. Okay. So let's see the closing capital fund. 27,600 plus 2,500 plus 3,250 plus 26,705. 60,055. Total of this is 60,055. So liability side is over. Go to the asset side. Cash in hand you should not take. Building is an asset. Take on the asset side. Building. How much is the value? 20,000. After building, furniture. See how you have to write furniture in the balance sheet. First you have to take this furniture 3,000, then additional furniture 9,900, then deduct depreciation 795. Okay. So furniture opening value is 3,000. Additional value is purchase 9,900. Add it. Furniture 3,000. Add 9,900, 3 plus 12,900 less depreciation on furniture, less depreciation 795. Okay, we'll see the furniture. Furniture 3,000 opening value plus 9,900 closing value. Total furniture is 12,900 minus 795 is depreciation 12,105. So furniture value is 12,105. In the same way, you have to write the books. Take the books here, opening value, additional value, less depreciation. Opening value plus additional value, less depreciation. So opening books is 2,000. Additional books purchase is 8,400. Total books is 10,400. 10,400. Less depreciation 200. So 10,200 is the books. Books what? 2,000 books plus 8,400, 10,400 minus depreciation 200. So 10,200 is the closing value of the books. After books, you have outstanding subscription, you have already deducted. Rent, lecture fee, printing and stationery is a revenue expenditure already recorded. Furniture is over, books is over. Balance carried down. Balance carried down means current year cash and bank balance. So it is an asset record. Cash and bank balance, current year cash and bank balance 7,500. Okay, we have recorded all the assets and liabilities from the balance sheet and receipts and payments. Now see the adjustments. Outstanding, subscription outstanding. Here adjustments you have to treat twice. 2 times you have to record. Adjustments you have to record 2 times. Once you have to record in income and expenditure account, another time you have to record in balance sheet. Okay. Subscription outstanding. This is current year 2019. You have already added here. Now subscription outstanding means we have to receive the subscription. The organization has to receive the current year subscription outstanding. So it is a asset, outstanding subscription. Subscription outstanding is 750. If the organization outstanding subscription, the organization has to receive, it is an asset, show on the asset side. If the organization has to pay, it is a liability, show on the liability side. Subscription outstanding is organization has to receive, asset side. Rent outstanding, organization has to pay, liability side. Rent. Depreciation on furniture and books you have taken in income and expenditure account and you have deducted here. That is over. Donation to be capitalized. Donation you have recorded in, you have added to opening capital fund. Okay, so we have taken all the items. Let's see the total. 20 plus 12, 105 plus 10,200 plus 7,500 plus 750. 50,000. See the liabilities. Sorry. So balance carried down 17,500. Balance cash and bank balance is 17,500. This will come to 60,555. 60,555. Here 60,055 plus 500. So 60,550. Okay. So this is the problem, last problem. We have completed the first chapter. Next class we will go to the remaining, that is second chapter, fundamental accounting of partnership firm. Okay, thank you.